We always want you to tag along. You're always a good vibe.
Are you with the cars here?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
To answer that guy's question, as you can see with the intro, we were just hanging out all day after wasted space. It was nice out, it was nice all week here in Vancouver, which is very rare, but basically just hanging out and shooting all day, and at the end of the day, we end up going to Pearson Airport here in Vancouver, Washington, just to get some nice golden hour photos of Cam and Sergi's 350Z, kind of like this photo right here. But yeah, here, enjoy hanging out with me and all the homies today while we take some photos and just do dumb shit. All right, guys, so this is kind of improv. We are just hanging out with everyone and the boys. All the cars are over there. This is here. Miles is over there. We're gonna do rollers of El Subaru out of Miles' IS300 with his suicide door up. So yeah, we'll see how this turns out. This should be fun. All right, let's go. Ready, Miles?
Yes.
All right, kids. Don't try this at home. If you wanna get about another car length from each other.
You want me in the shade?
You can come out in the sun, actually. You just wanna actually get over here. Yeah, and back up. It's good. Yeah, so how to get a good roller is like we just gotta match pace with each other, and then hopefully this works. So we'll start off at 1/13 of a second. Inch just a little bit forward. And stop. A little bit more forward. Stop right there. Ooh, that's a sick shot. All right, so keep the same distance from each other, all right? And go like 10, 15. All right, let's try this. Let's go. I'm gonna be so fucking stoked. Sick. This is chilly. They look really cool.
What's down?
What's down, Tatiana? We're here with Mr. Miles, Mr. Midnight Escape. Ooh, grab your voodoo box. This would be kind of cool. Sound like you're eating the donut.
Pink donut too.
Huh?
It's a pink donut too.
Ooh. Oh, yes. Oof. Do you have napkins? We might have some if you need them.
I have microfibers.
No, there you go. That's all you need.
Ooh, come on, man. Shut the box, man. Step a little more bit. What a guy. That looks so sick. Oh, that goes hard. Yup. Do you want to sit down and like lean against your car like right here? Sure. Noted.
Sick. Kind of lifestyle-y, donut eating.
Impromptu donut sesh.
Swag.
I fuck with that.
Swag money. I feel bad making you eat your donut.
No, I was gonna eat anyway.
That's
crazy.
warehouse spots are always so hit or miss for me because it's like they can either turn out super banger or super not, or I just feel like you have to be super creative because it's such a bland spot in my opinion.
What's very monotone.
Yeah, there's this guy I follow, it's like Kyle Fletcher or whatever, and he makes these places look so good.
Yeah.
I just don't know how. I don't know how. But I really want to get the two BRZs together and the two 350Zs because they're here. I feel like it'd be a sin if I didn't.
That'd be really cool.
Want to go over there or, you know, chill here?
Gotta get that low angle. Get the sky in there. Happy-go-lucky as always. I don't know. Ooh, I didn't even notice they both had the same Z bumper or Nismo bumper. Get that f-stop a little higher since there's two. Oh, these three right here look pretty cool. Just something about stance cars, they really just look good pretty much anywhere because they just so abnormal. They're like, you know, obviously you don't see them every day. And these tandems, these Kansai tandems just look so good on the 86 chassis. Hey, what's up, y'all? Say hi.
What do you do with that thing?
I just shoot. Wow, you didn't see my first video? Wow. No, I just do POV shooting. Yeah. Yes, I think so. I hope so. Yeah. This is Julia, Casey. This is the toaster. It's so red. It's probably not like, actually here. Do that again. Hey, bronchitis. Perfect. You guys are adorable. Ooh, look at that. Look at that sky. This red is literally the hardest red to shoot. You guys don't even understand. I've shot it like 4 times. I still can't get it perfect. Mr. Violent. Yeah, it's getting. Oh, dude, you still want to get drinks? We. Okay.
I'm sorry.
He's being a pussy. Yeah, y'all heard it here. You were drunk last night, but you can't get drunk with us tonight.
I could drive 50 minutes away.
Oh, why is Miles still over there?
Move out of the road.
Boy, oh, we might be in his way. Ah, he gave us the.
He did a left face. Oh, he's on track. Those guys have the best shipping.
Stay on track, bro.
They do.
They stay on track.
My packages get on time all the time. I've never had an issue with them. Awesome.
Autobots, mobilize. Oh, I guess I kind of already got the shot, but it'd be cool if it was just 2 PRZs.
It's cold in the shade.
Dude, I know. I want to go stand in the sun. It's a wee bit chilly.
Like keeps leaving, bro.
I know, bro. Maneuver.
They're all huddling like penguins in the middle. Start walking. It's like. That's why all penguins compact together to keep warm. Oh yeah, fucking motherfuckers in the Arctic. I just shake it.
Oh, dude, look at these.
Oh, you got a new mic on it too?
Yeah, I got a mic on it.
Nice.
I wonder. No, those are Miles.
Says Pornhub.
Look at this.
That's crazy. Bro, you should have hit him with the fucking.
Donut, the Simpsons.
Oh yeah.
It's just like a donut.
Hit him with the Modelo.
I'm like, I know Homer.
Oh, just get like smart skating out the Modelo. You're like, oh.
He changed.
Whoa. It's good. This sounds so good. Oh my god. I need a V8.
Cut like the numbers and just start putting it on. It looked like I had the lazy bike, something like that. For like, I don't know how legal it is.
Oh, I can see myself. That's cool.
The sun is just beaming.
My hair is fucked, so don't fucking comment on that, please. I'm sorry. I like the new camera though.
Yes.
I like the little mic.
It actually looks really well.
It captures well. Is this thing on? Is this thing on?
You know how
Jim?
you
tap it.
Find an email. That's actually a pretty cool photo. I don't know why I haven't taken that. Not all photos have to be some sort of crazy composition. Oh, actually, I can't even get. Oh, there we go. I can kind of get everyone. Damn. I'm sorry. I'm totally in your way.
All right.
Yeah, I'm ready.
fucking dead. Bro, we've been out since 8.
Yeah, but
No, you should have had it when we did the freaking cinnamon.
oh, the cinnamon roll. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We don't have enough people.
Cinnamon roll.
Bring it in, boys. 1, 2, 3, cinnamon roll.
There you go.
I didn't get that many photos, but we'll definitely do some POVs, and you guys will just see the same photos I took.
There's only 3 cars in there right now, but it's got to be like now.
Are we doing this right now? Should we take both Z's, and I guess it would have to be Marina's car since she's driving me.
Probably.
Yeah.
So we got.
Are we doing this?
I don't know. Are we doing it?
Yeah, I guess we're gonna go shoot an airport now.
Okay. We got like a couple minutes to be there.
Oh, well, let's go.
Let me put it in my maps.
So everyone's dispersing. Nice meeting you.
Bye-bye! I think so nice.
Fast car, thanks, man. Couldn't be us.
Squad dipping out.
Alright folks, this is crazy. We are back on the same airport I just shot at last week. I haven't edited that video yet, but I'll get there. But this time we're shooting 2 350Z Nismos on, I think Cam said the runway over there. So that should be pretty cool, I guess, yeah. Good stuff. Yeah, I think so.
The airport security manager, he doesn't like this type of stuff, so I think we're just gonna grab a couple flicks and then get the heck out of
Is
here.
he still here?
Yeah, he's doing his laps around.
Should we wait a second?
No, because my dad says he's probably gonna be here for a minute taking laps.
Oh.
So I don't. Maybe whatever your
Well, I mean,
expertise is with what we got right here.
okay, well, I'm gonna get out. Alright, Cam.
Hey, how are you?
I find it crazy how he doesn't like you when you.
I'm shooting the Porsche in that hangar right over there.
I'll help guard you.
Yeah.
Should we just do the classic like little?
Is that what you want?
I don't care honestly. I'll just give you a couple bones and we'll get this going and get out of here.
Alright, because I have a couple. We could do that classic that angle shot that I did with you, or we can do something like this where it's
Oh, that's pretty.
front and rear end. I don't know if you guys like both of your guys' front ends.
Can I get a poster of this?
Yeah, you can actually.
Can I?
Yeah.
On your website?
Yeah. Yeah. Or we could get a new one of you guys right now.
I'd get a poster of that right
Yeah.
now.
So, all right, position.
Again?
Come forward. I just don't want the plane directly behind you. Yeah, right there is good. Positioning 2 cars is so difficult. Stop right there. Just drop it.
Uh-oh. Am I out of space? I am. That's funny. Are you fucking kidding me? This has never happened before. Got the 35.
Cool. Gotta get the airplane in there.
Let's do 50. Cool.
Get a little more like if we want to kind of go around or
Cool.
whatever you want. You got the scene.
Oh, the sun is just hitting really nice right here. I'll guide you. Ooh, come back. Get out of the car. Yeah. Close the door, and then
Turn around. Well, like you're about to walk towards it. Yep. Look to your right.
I had to think about my direction for a second.
Hold on. Cool.
all right. Want to see it?
I do actually. I didn't even think about that.
James, bring her around. Look, there's Mount Hood over there. It's crazy.
I asked her.
Ah! You're good.
Cool airplanes.
Yeah, we'll do that. The sun is just hitting really nice right here. You're good. And then get closer. So just go forward and then back up closer.
Yes, sir.
Straight. Stop right there. Stop. Stop.
That's a cool shot, actually. Around automatic.
Is that good?
Yeah, it was great.
It's so bright. I can't see shit.
Wish I had a polarizer for my
Fucking face. Oh, those are just sunglasses. Huh. Oh, this would be kind of cool.
Maybe, not really. These batteries suck.
My Sony battery and my GoPro battery are dying. Shooting against the sun kind of fucking sucks, to be honest, but that looks pretty cool. Let's see. Alright, Cam, if you just want to move forward, I'm gonna get a couple of his.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, pull it out here. Hey, get the fuck out of here, huh? Oh, that looks really good. Yeah, I know. I was like, wait, was this car not on? And I kept turning it back on. I was like, oh, we definitely just killed it. I haven't shot landscape at all today. Golden hour light is so good. You know, I can't see anything. Oh my god. This lighting is nuts. Usually I don't like shooting towards the sun, but this looks really fucking cool. Okay, 50 mil? Yeah. Oh, airplane. What are the odds I get 2 airplanes? I hope these are in focus. I'm moving really fast. They look like it. Oh, you're good. Let's see. Oh, that's a cool ass photo. Oh, the train in the background. That's cool. I'm so shaky with this lens.
The other people flying in this
What?
airspace.
Oh.
Damn, son! It's way better than my iPhone picture. Fuck me.
Oh shit.
But,
What am I looking at?
oh, just a photo.
What am I looking at?
There's no phone.
Oh, I lied.
Hey.
Oh, that's hot.
Hey, that's sick.
Whatever you guys want to do, the sun
I
is
want to
just
post
killer
the
right
two
now.
of us so I can put it in the garage.
Okay, I mean, I don't know. Do you guys?
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, what's down there? I don't know
Hang on,
what's
it's-
down there. Let's see. It's really hard shooting both cars at once because while you position the other one, you want to get some shots of this one. And I don't know, it's just a lot of running back and forth, and maybe I'm just not a good photographer, so I do that because I'm sure there's people out there that just plan it and it's just perfect. But I think being impromptu and no plan is kind of fun. Turn a little bit to your left. Ooh, that looks cool. Going, and then stop. Can you keep your brake lights on?
Turn them on?
Yeah.
Did you have the brake lights on?
Yep. Wow. The brake lights look so good. I forgot. How could I forget? How could I forget about brake lights? That's like my favorite thing. This jacket is so restrictive. I did not expect to shoot this much today. Let's see. We got 2 egg cars here. Hey, dude, I know. I'm like freezing. I have 2 minutes of footage, so let's just snap some quick. Oh, there's one moving. Let's see here. That's cool.
Alright guys, so we actually didn't get to finish that shoot at the airport. The boss man from there actually gave us the boot, a nice boot, nothing too crazy, but here are some photos that you guys didn't get to see because I didn't record that portion. Other than that, let me know if you guys want me to keep on doing these POV videos or what else you guys like to see. But thank you for watching. If you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a wonderful rest of your night.